Hi everyone, this is your art teacher Miss Dressel, and today we are going to create some dot art emojis inspired by the story Mixed. So the first thing that we need to do is write our name on our paper and then flip it over. So I'm going to write my name on my paper, and then I'm going to flip it over. That way my name is on the back of my artwork. Then I want to draw some faces. I'm going to use a black marker to draw some faces for my dot art emojis. My dots need to have a circle for their body. So I'll start off by drawing the circle for their bodies. So some might look like ovals, some might look like circles. There we go. Now I'm going to give each one a face. When I draw their faces, I need to draw their eyes, I can give them a nose. This one I'll give a big smile and add teeth. This one's going to have a big smile, and I'll draw some legs and feet. I'll give this one some fingers waving. This next one, we'll give them a different expression. So we'll draw their eyes, their nose, their mouth in a different way. This one I'm going to draw wearing glasses. I'm going to give them square glasses. So I'll draw squares, a line in between, and lines with a curve to make the glasses. Then I'll make dots for their pupils. And I'll draw their nose kind of like the letter B. This one I'll give a smile and a tongue sticking out. Then I'll give him two legs and feet. Arms. He can be waving too. Last one. Let's try to make this one cute. I'll start off with big eyes and circles. I can even make their nose pointed like a triangle. I'll give it a smile, bump bump like the letter M, another curve like a smile to make lips. Then we'll add two lines for legs, circles for feet, two arms, and fingers. Now that I've drawn my picture, I can use paint to color them in. So the story Mixed started off with the primary colors red, yellow, and blue. And the colors mixed together to make new colors. So let's focus on what colors we can make with red and yellow. I'm going to mix my colors with a Q-tip, but you could do this with your fingers too. So I'm going to take a little bit of red, a little bit of yellow, and mix them together. And I'm going to get orange. I'll get a new Q-tip. I'll mix together some yellow, and I'll mix together some blue, and then I'll get green. You might be wondering, how will I get purple? Well, we could take the red and the blue, and we can mix them together, and we can get a violet. You might want to mix a little bit more red into it to make a different shade of violet. So, now that I've made all of the colors in the rainbow, I have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet, I can start to paint in my dot art. I could use my fingers to mix and paint on top of them. Or I can use the Q-tip to paint on top of them. I could even mix the colors right on top of them. So this little emoji has different shades of purple, different shades of violet. It has blue violet, it has some red violet. Maybe I'll make her lips even a little bit more red. And then I can do the shoes too. Let's make the other dot. I'll use green. And I can even go back into the blue and the yellow and mix right on top. So to make green, I used yellow and blue. Let's color his shoe. There we go. Let's color our last emoji. I'll make him orange. To make orange, we used yellow and red. And when we mix them together, we have some orange. He kind of looks like the sun. So I can take some yellow and some red and mix, mix, mix those colors together. And if you want, you can always use your finger to mix, mix, mix. Yellow, orange, Mix, mix, mix. We can even do their fingers. Let's make his fingers orange. All right. So now that I finished, I need to clean myself up. I'm not going to wipe this on my clothes. I'm going to use a napkin so that I can wipe the paint off my fingers. When you're all done, you're going to let this paint and your new mixed colors to dry.